Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you all are safe at their homes and taking care of yourselves and your loved ones too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to take a moment and subscribe. Okay, so today's video will be a very special video for me because this video consists of a person who is very near to my heart and my house too. We're neighbors and she's right there and she's smiling at me. Okay, so we are friends since childhood and she's the guest on the mini club today. So I would like you to invite her. Come. So here she is. She's my friend, best friend, my childhood friend. Her name is
Gitanjali. I'm Gitanjali. Hi.
Okay. Hello. So she's Gitanjali.
Sorry for bombing that.
So today she's here for the BFF tag, and this is the part 1, and we'll be playing how well do we know each other.
Thank you for inviting me and congrats on your channel.
Thank you.
Really excited to be here.
Cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is one of our friends, Jai Singh Borse, this is a huge shout out for you, okay?
He's useful sometimes.
Yeah. So he's written some chits for us, which contains of questions we should know of each other. Huh?
Let's hope.
Hopefully we know each other a lot. So what will
21 years should count on that.
Yeah, right. We're friends from 21 years. What are we gonna do is I'm gonna pick a chit and I'm gonna read it. So that question will be for me, right?
Okay.
So I'll read it like who's my first friend. So I'll be writing my answer and she'll be writing my answer. If it matches,
So basically, it's like you're gonna ask the question and I'm supposed to ask like
I'm
answer
supposed
for you.
to yeah.
Okay,
And
okay.
when she picks up the chit, I'm gonna supposed to answer to her question. Matlab,
So are we
hamara-
gonna write it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna write it down, and if it matches, if my answer matches hers, she'll get a point. If her
I think I'm
answer-
gonna win it.
Overconfidence, girl. Okay,
We'll see. Okay.
okay, let's get the writing material. Woo. Woo.
We're back.
So here are the chits, and as she's the guest, she'll start the questions.
I'll pick.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm very bad at this.
Even I don't know the questions.
The luck doesn't work for me. Let's see.
We're not gonna show each other.
Okay. What's the worst you've ever been physically hurt? Okay, I have to answer for you.
Arey, no. I'm gonna answer for you. You write
Okay,
here and
okay.
I'll. What is the question? Read it loud, please.
What's the worst you've ever been physically hurt? Like hurt in sense like how?
Like what? Fracture or something like that.
Oh,
Physically
okay.
hurt. I know one. I'm gonna write one.
I don't remember. Yeah. When I heard like that, I heard.
Okay. You're thinking a lot, alright?
I don't remember, man. Like I haven't got stitches or this thing.
Not like that. Fracture is nahi. It can be
Okay.
anything.
Okay. Let's.
Sabse like. I don't know the second one.
Even I'm confused. For this one.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
We will show it together.
Yeah, okay.
1,
2, 3, go. What is it?
Let me see what you will.
Accent mark.
Yeah,
that
that
is
was
an
the
accent
first one. Actually, I was confused with the chin mark I've got, but then like stitches, no. So
Perfect. Woo!
you,
I'm
Shiva.
rocking it, girl. Whoa.
Your chance, your chance.
Okay, I've picked it up. Oh, my go-to TV show which I can watch anytime and feel better. This is so much
For you, okay. Like, this is like
predictable, yaar.
it's so this thing, man. It's like our show,
Yeah.
not
Our सबका show.
सबका शो, ग्रुप का, हमारे पूरे ग्रुप का. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Can you see mine?
Friends! Woo! 0.1. Competition, huh? चलो, it's your chance now.
Chance.
Amul pink.
Oh, what is this very big? If I could have a superpower, what would I choose? Reading minds, travel anywhere, anytime, free, be invisible.
Hey, don't look now.
Hopefully.
Okay,
Ready?
1, 2,
Ah!
3, go!
It's right. Actually, you know, right, reading my mind, but I'm like, नहीं यार, I'm not that intuitive, you know, कि क्या चल रहा है दूसरे के मन में.
हाँ.
वो तो वैसे भी भाप लेती
तो
हूँ.
इनविजिबल बन के क्या करेगी फिर?
घूमूंगी. आजादी, freedom.
किधर भी घूमेगी. किधर भी
You
घूमेगी.
know, that's my motive.
Okay.
I need the Batman. Sorry.
My turn. Tick, 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 tick.
Okay, go for it, girl.
What I do when I get angry?
This is like the lamest thing she does, you know.
What I do? I hope you know it.
I hope you answer correctly. Don't try to hide yourself. Because I know this for sure.
No, what I do? And my answer is 3 words ka.
Mine, I'm writing paragraphs. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
But show me, no. Let's see. First one was that only.
Yeah, message and
She's
WhatsApp
silent. He sits and stares, like she'll stare you out, like you have to realize that you've done something shitty. Otherwise, she'll go on
That's
WhatsApp and she'll just stab you out there. Because samne she can't talk. She'll go WhatsApp. And
Paragraphs I send her.
and I'm not the WhatsApp kind of girl. I'm like, call me and argue with me like that. And I'm like, okay, wait, let me type.
That was right. How much? Yeah, it's your chance. Sorry.
Then little bit. Okay, ooh, this one is blocked.
Oh, it's for you then.
Luck. Oof. All-time favorite Bollywood movie.
I don't know this.
Even I don't know it. I don't know my movie only. Wait, I have to think.
I know one.
Mine is not like that, Riya. Okay, you don't have to name a particular one. Just go for like.
I'll write 3 options.
Like horror, romantic, or thriller, like that. You can go like that. Because even
Like
I don't know
genre,
name.
the genre
Yeah,
of the movie.
go on the genre.
No, yeah.
Because even I don't know.
Achha, even
I
she
don't know.
doesn't have a single movie.
Like I like all the movies. It's like this. It's like you can't pick one. Yeah, there's so many.
Just so what are the genres?
You have अभी सब genre भी बता दूँ क्या? फिर आंसर याद आएगा देखो.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
तेरे को पता होना चाहिए यार. I
एक ही
love
genre
this.
लिखने हैं.
नहीं दो. No, why am I giving you clues? This is like my thing. You know this, Pritya. Come on.
She calls me Pritya.
Oh, I'm not supposed to say that on the camera. Sorry. Nobody can call her, man.
Okay.
Ready? Like, come on, you don't have to think so much. You know that. So sad.
And I guess.
You're taking too much time, Pritya.
Okay. Ready.
Oh, you shat it. Ready?
1,
Go.
2, 3, go. Romantic and horror. I wrote romantic. Okay, I get 1 point.
You got half a point. The second
Arey,
one
but
was
the option was
romantic is the first one. But horror also, you know this, yeah. I love watching
horror.
horror movies.
When did you watch horror with me?
Yeah, not with you because she screams a lot. And she scares me with that. I'm the person who's like, I can watch horror like anytime, दिन को रात को.
She just gets that's go fight.
Yeah.
And I scream a lot.
And she's watching like this, okay? And she screams so loudly and I also get scared. I'm not getting scared of the movie, I'm getting scared of the movie.
Okay, my turn now.
Go for it.
Okay, perfect.
Oh my god, so big.
Yeah, I just won rupees 10 lakh. So, what is the first thing I would do with that money?
ऐसे क्या करेगी तू? इतनी ambitious नहीं अब थोड़ी अपना.
पैसे का मैं पहले करूंगी. First thing, what would I do?
What you'll buy something, house or car or something.
तो लिखना फिर मेरे को क्या पता?
वो ये तो वैसे बहुत lame है वैसे.
First thing रे.
Watch रहेगी तो.
चीटर।
मैंने लिख दिया, मेरे को इतना बड़ा कुछ बनाने का, तो तेरा आंसर मेरे को वही लग रहा। See, my drawing is so bad. 1, 2, 3 घर ही रहेगा।
गलत बता दी। यस,
Dream. Oh shit, I was so close. I was gonna write car.
हमारे ड्रीम का
House and car I was gonna write. ए यार, okay fine. ठीक है, ठीक है। But you don't never do cars, Pitya. You sometimes get very indecisive. She also
Yeah,
doesn't know
I
the
am
right answer.
indecisive. Oh Lord.
She also doesn't know it's the right answer or not. I'm telling you, पहला घर खरीदेगी, कार नहीं खरीदेगी।
मैं घर बांधूंगी, मैं आर्किटेक्ट हूँ, मैं खरीदूंगी
अबे तो
नहीं।
जमीन तो लेगी ना उसके लिए, क्या अभी क्या छत पे बनाएगी क्या?
बनेगी का।
हाँ ना।
चल।
Oh, what's my all-time favorite dessert?
डिजर्ट।
Okay,
ये वो
like
क्या मालूम अभी?
you know this, you know this. मैं नहीं बताऊँ। Dessert of क्या?
ओके, मैं ऑप्शंस लिख रही बाबा।
सेफ खेल रही क्या?
इतना बड़ा क्या लिख रही हूँ?
You know this है, like अपना दोनों का है वो, ये go to वैसा डेजर्ट आ, तू घुस मत उसमें।
किसमें?
मैं तुम रसगुल्ला लिख।
मिठाई नहीं बोल रही, पागल है क्या?
मिठाई
Okay,
नहीं
चल।
रेडी?
1, 2, 3 go।
This is obvious. This is obvious. Chocolate.
चॉकलेट। ये मैंने
Anything
लिखा।
chocolate.
चॉकलेट पेस्ट्री, ब्राउनी, चॉकलेट डोनट्स।
I've written chocolate में anything big holder. वो दोनों के लिए सेम। कुछ भी चॉकलेट में ले लो।
I'm the lead, guys.
We'll never say no.
I'm the lead. It's my turn
That
now.
is like she was also. नहीं
I got a message.
अबे तू काय को उठा रही? मैं उठा रही हूँ।
अभी मेरा चांस है ना, तेरा था ना डेजर्ट का भी।
तूने उठाई डेजर्ट। अच्छा सॉरी
डिजर्ट का इसने उठाई क्या? झूठी है रे।
सॉरी।
फेवरेट थिंग आई ओन एंड व्हाई?
सारे तेरे को टफ, मैं वो टफ क्वेश्चन दे रहे यार।
अभी मैं उठा रही चिट्ठी, तू उठा रही, तू ये उठा रही, मैं डिफिकल्ट उठा रही। ओन मतलब लाइक आई बॉट इट बाय माय मनी और गिफ्ट भी चलेगा उसमें।
तू मेरे को बता।
मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ ना। मैंने मेरे
तूने
खुद के पैसे से कुछ लाया
खुद
नहीं।
कमाते किधर है?
हम लोग कमाते नहीं, हम लोग बात।
ये
अच्छा फिर फेवरेट गिफ्ट बोल देते हैं।
तुम्हें पता? अच्छा हाँ।
साले तो कैमरा में मत देख।
I think I know this. Like, क्या ये? Dad ने कुछ तो लिया है।
आई लव इट।
मिनी का डैडी।
लिख।
लाइक इट ऐसा स्पेसिफाई करके बोलेगी, मतलब फिर कुछ तो छोटी चीज ऐसे बड़ी चीजों को लगाऊंगी।
या मेरे को मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स नहीं अच्छी लगती।
मिनी का डैडी और क्या? अभी याद कर लिया।
और
फास्ट ट्रैक का वॉच। गड्डी में
गड्डी। अरे हाँ,
मेरा फर्स्ट वॉच आया था मुझे।
गड्डी।
देखती चल
मिनी माउस एंड हील्स, जो बूट्स तूने मेरे को दिए थे वो।
मेरे को नहीं लगा इतना पसंद है।
नहीं, मेरे को अच्छा लगते हैं वो। स्पेशल है रे, मेरे को अच्छे लगते हैं वो। मिनी का टेडी, हील्स एंड माय गाड़ी। ओके
My chance because तो टफ निकाल सकती है। वो टफ चाहिए रे पापा।
चलो, मैं जीतने वाली हूँ।
तो बैठ। I could time travel. Where would I go? Past, present, future.
ओहो, दिस इज अ टफ वन। टाइम ट्रैवल में प्रेजेंट नहीं आता, जो पागल है क्या?
अबे उसके तीसरे
पास्ट या
खोलने
future?
बैठ गए ना, इधर हो गए।
मेरा आपका
चलेगा।
चैनल उस पे जाएगा।
चल
Where would you go, man? तुम लिख दे तेरा आंसर। Hopefully it's right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, it's right. How did you guess it, man? मेरे को लगा तो फ्यूचर लिखेगी।
I know. देखो बहुत सारी चीजें बदल रही है
और अभी वो फेस से गुजर रही है कि मुझे बदलनी है.
नाइस. I'm nice ना. I'm winning.
Shut up.
What do I consider my best physical feature?
Come on, man. This is like. Erihan, बोल दूं क्या
मैं
मैं?
जरा ड्रॉ भी कर दी हूँ.
मुरुगनेरी.
मेरी हाँ. Oops, I was gonna say. Okay.
रुक, मेरा मुरुगनेरी नहीं बनाया मुझे. See, my answer is invisible. ठीक है,
My eyes are very beautiful. Okay.
She gets compliments to that and the photos as well. God, that eyes, that really are.
Honey eyes.
Now you guys get the hint. My chance.
Yeah.
Get something tough out here. Just नहीं पता. I want the lead. Foreign language would. Foreign language.
Foreign
would
language
I want
is
to
बिल्कुल चल
master
गया.
or any foreign language I have learned. What?
This is so easy.
I don't know. You know this.
We have learned the same language.
No, but I don't want to know. Oh no. Right answer. Shut up. Don't.
It is ki what you have learned already. Okay.
No.
Yes.
So.
Okay, ठीक है चल लिख दे. This is the first one I'm writing is the
Why are we
language.
discussing so much?
The first one I've written is the language she's learned, and the next one is which she would learn.
Ready?
Wait na.
So you can't play safe, huh? You're discussing so much, but yeah. नहीं यार, that's cheating.
Okay, चल. 1, 2, 3,
मैंने
go.
एक ही आंसर लिखा है.
Turkish.
I want to learn this so bad.
I know she's watching the series. Turkish series. She doesn't understand anything. She understands
But
zero.
now I've started understanding. You know, like good night. Then that means good morning. Then Ashka means my lover.
Turkish classes soon. My turn.
Yeah, that was, but यार नहीं यार.
Where do I want to travel the most in the future?
पहले कुछ और था, अभी कुछ और है.
मेरे को हर जगह जाने का है. और ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड लिख दूं क्या फिर?
वो पॉसिबल नहीं है इस जन्म में.
तू 2 लिख सकती है आंसर. 1.
First was different, the one which I've written second.
I know.
But Abhi, she has currently changed it to this. Maldives and Paris.
Woo! We are very best friends.
एक wrong नहीं हो रहा है. मेरे को
चल तेरा एक रॉन्ग हो गया.
वो चल वो wrong नहीं था.
चल रे.
हाँ ना.
हाँ ना आई बड़ी.
बोर हो रहा है. छी we are so boring. Wrong नहीं हो रहा हमारे.
बिनो ये सब मेरी करो.
Am I a morning person or a night person? You don't know this now. Go die somewhere. मैं दोस्ती तोड़ रही हूँ तेरे साथ आज.
मॉर्निंग पर्सन और नाइट पर्सन.
This name is nice.
She I hate that smell. That is
It's right ना बस लग गया.
gross.
Sorry, too long.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Let me see what you've written. Good.
Morning.
तो दोस्ती टूट जाती है आज.
Why am I lounging like this, man? मेरे कागज खत्म होने आए.
मैं पीछे पे पलट के लिख रही हूँ.
हाँ क्या?
मेरा कपड़ा खत्म हो चुका है.
Oops. Even I don't know this. If I could only eat one thing for the rest of my life, what would it be?
Yeah, it will be that only.
This is a junk food, okay?
Oh, okay. I know that.
Hopefully, you should know it.
I know it is next to the blue.
2 hours later. Sorry guys, disturbance.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Chocolate and pizza. Nice. अच्छी बात है. She knows me.
I'm supposed to know you.
I think
21 years
छुट्टी
old,
हो गई
so that you don't know this. Go die somewhere.
When Chitti was on the sofa there. Oops. It's your turn now. Oops.
If I weren't an animal, what would I be?
I know this. She doesn't know it, but I know it.
I don't like I like animals, but like दूर से. But yeah, this like I want to become like. And I think she also knows this. I guess she knows it. But you know it now?
Yeah. I'm ready with my answer.
Wait, I'm drawing.
I'm confused with my answers. I know her answers.
That's the catch.
Shut up.
You?
What the hell? Bird fly away.
कुछ भी जो उड़ता हो.
Bird नहीं, animal बोला है.
तूने क्या लिखा है?
Lioness. इसको queen बोलती है खुद को queen. तो of course animals में फिर lioness ही है ना.
Yeah, actually that was nice. But like
She doesn't know herself. I know her better.
But you didn't get the point.
Okay, we're on the same score. Done.
I don't consider it as
It is lion, huh? It is lion.
No, we had this quiz also.
What's my biggest fear? I mean, I don't know.
I don't know. I think this is my fear also.
It is not something emotional, huh?
फिर क्या?
सच का डर लगता बोलती है.
हाँ तो सच का ही.
Not like losing someone or something like that.
अच्छा वैसे like what do you get scared of most? Like that or like अच्छा वैसा वाला तो देखो वैसा वाला आंसर चाहिए. फिर तो बहुत आसान है भाऊ और इजी कर दिया चच्ची ने. दिस इज तो बिग वाला.
Okay. What is it? Ghosts. Actually, I'm not scared of ghosts.
You are fucking scared of
But then
ghosts.
I imagine I get scared when I see all your ghosts.
I'm telling you the story, you know, like in serious story, I'm telling you nicely, you know, sitting रात को in a like compound, nicely, you know, full एकदम dramatic way में I'm explaining her.
And I'm imagining that.
And she's imagining and बीच में से she screams so loud.
ये
Oh
भी
my
डर गई.
god! And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm explaining the story and she screams so loudly and like the whole society is down there.
Okay, the points are equal.
Done? We're done?
None of us has won. Neither
Equal.
lost.
That's why you're friends.
Okay.
It creates a lot of messy.
Poultry चाहिए थी अपने को. Best thing. You. Whew. So-
Jay has not done good job with the questions.
Okay.
Like, okay, the questions are nice, but I was expecting a little more.
This is part 1 now. We're gonna play something else also.
Okay.
Never have I ever or something like that.
Yeah, I messed up the pages for that. Cool.
So here we come to the end of this video.
I had fun. So what are the points?
Equal.
She'll show it to you on the screen.
It's equal. You know each other.
अब बस बहुत हो
Makeup
गया
लग जाएगा, looks
ये
like.
बहुत ज्यादा प्यार हो रहा है.
Okay. So
What are you looking at? You have to end it, bro.
okay. So thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this BFF tag part 1. And she's also gonna start her YouTube video soon.
Hopefully, let's hope.
Hopefully, viewing
Things on the cards to go.
Oh my god. Okay, so see you in the next video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends, with your best friends, and play such things in quarantine. It is
That's what you need right now.
get close to each other. She stays in front of my house.
अभी तो बहुत
So,
खींच रही है, बहुत खींच रही है.
हम लोग घर से बाहर नहीं जा रहे, हम लोग सोसाइटी में ही रहते, एक ही बिल्डिंग में रहते, तो फिर हम लोग एक दूसरे घर जा सकते हैं. हम लोग कहीं ट्रैवल करके नहीं जाते. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. बस यही दिल की तमन्ना है.
बस कर, अभी वो फंस जाएंगे, बंद कर दे अब.
ओके बाय, सी
Let's
यू.
do the hand thing together. 1, 2, 3, go.
रुक रुक रुक, बोलेगा ना मेरे को और कुछ तो. क्या बोलेगा था?
बहुत पका रही है तेरा इंट्रो और ये.
सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल को और शेयर करो.
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब हो जाए. Until then, bye bye.
Toodles.